GlucoTru helps control blood sugar by using all natural and potent ingredients. It can be difficult to maintain a healthy blood sugar level. The makers of GlucoTru developed this medication to help those with blood glucose level disorders maintain a healthy level. Hyperglycemia, high blood sugar, is a condition which can lead to diabetes, as well as many other dangerous conditions such as kidney disease and vision loss. It can also cause foot ulcers, nerve damage, kidney failure, and heart attacks. Hypoglycemia is the condition of low blood sugar. This is what happens when your blood sugar is lower than normal. It is extremely dangerous because the brain needs a constant supply of glucose in order to function correctly. This can lead to confusion and disorientation. GlucoTru is produced in the United States of America under the strictest hygienic guidelines in an approved facility with GMP certification. GlucoTru, which is made entirely from natural ingredients and contains no artificial additives, is non-GMO and safe for consumption and use. What is the GlucoTru blood sugar supplement? GlucoTru, a natural product, supports a healthy glucose metabolism while lowering blood sugar levels. Unstable glucose metabolism can cause a variety of health problems, from fatigue and mental fog to serious illnesses such as diabetes and heart disease. GlucoTru is able to help you maintain healthy blood sugar levels. The ingredients in GlucoTru have been chosen for their ability to increase your body's insulin production, which is essential for a healthy rate glucose metabolism. You can avoid spikes and crashes in blood sugar that could trigger cravings or other health problems. GlucoTru is a supplement that promotes insulin resistance, healthy glucose metabolism, and can also improve blood pressure, cholesterol, and immune function. It is also easier to maintain a stable blood sugar level over time by sticking to a healthy diet. Some of the chemicals found in GlucoTru help to suppress sugar cravings. Ingredients in GlucoTru supplement. Banaba leaf. Banaba leaf's primary function is to lower blood sugar, which is why it is often used in supplements that treat high blood glucose levels. Antioxidants are what the customer needs to reduce free radicals in the body. They can also lower the risk for heart disease and obesity. In conventional medicine, the leaves are often used to ensure that insulin is being used optimally. One of the primary reasons people include it in their regimen is to help lower the risk of developing diabetes after they are informed that they have prediabetes. Yarrow. Yarn can be used to treat irritable bowel syndrome, stomach discomfort, and other digestive issues. It can also relieve diarrhea and ulcers. It is likely that yarrow's benefits are due to its high concentration of flavonoids and other alkaloids. These compounds have been linked to digestive comfort. According to some myths, the name yarrow is derived from Achilles, the Greek hero who could stop his men from healing their wounds. When taken as medicine, yarrow has few side effects. Bitter melon. This fruit, also known as bitter gourd or bitter melon, is full of nutrients that can help with your digestion, blood sugar, and overall health. This component is popular for its antioxidant properties because it contains a large amount of vitamin C. Bitter melon can be used to reduce the risk of illness, improve bone growth, and heal wounds. Bitter melon is easy to integrate into any program that deals with it, as its characteristics are often compared to insulin's effects. Gurmur leaf. Gurmur leaf's full potential is still being studied, but its ability to lower blood sugar is one of the main factors driving its consumer adoption. This also helps to reduce high cholesterol and inflammation. If left untreated, these can obstruct blood flow. In certain studies, Gurmur leaf was associated with weight loss. It also has anti-cancer properties and is antimicrobial. Juniper berry. The berries of the juniper tree are a rich source of essential oil, which is used to treat fatigue, respiratory infections, and sore throats. When applied topically, this essential oil can help with insomnia, weakened immune system, and sporadic outbreaks of skin. The oil is also directly linked to a healthy digestion. It is safe to consume the berry on its own. Some common dishes also use it as a way to enhance a user's culinary experience. Guggle. Guggle is an anti-inflammatory that many people may not know about. The most recent research on this substance shows that it can be consumed orally and applied locally. Researchers have also linked this component to the treatment of hypothyroidism because it can be used by customers to reduce their overall body mass. Researchers have also linked this component to hypothyroidism because it's sometimes used to help customers reduce their body mass. White mulberry. White mulberry trees are found mainly in certain regions of Asia. Scientists are still trying to discover all the potential uses of this tree, but its bark, fruit, and leaves can be used as medicine. A preliminary study suggests that ingesting an extract of the white mulberry can naturally reduce high blood sugar and slow down cancer cell growth. Licorice root. Licorice root, although the last ingredient on the list, is still a vital component in the defense against high blood sugar. The root is also available as lozenges for sore throats. Recent research has linked the licorice root to the relief from infections and menopausal symptom. Further, it is used to treat heartburn, acid retching, hot flashes and other conditions. Benefits and uses of GlucoTru. This increases insulin production, which helps to manage blood sugar levels. By suppressing appetite, it promotes a natural and safe weight loss. Also, it helps with heart problems. Sleep quality is improved. Maintaining normal blood pressure is a benefit. The capsules are easy to use and safe. It is anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. You can reduce your dependence on medications. The herbs and plant extracts boost your immune system. All organs are supplied with oxygenated blood. Recommended dosage for GlucoTru. Take 1 capsule of GlucoTru every morning with a glass water. GlucoTru morning dose will regulate insulin production throughout the day and kickstart metabolism. The blood sugar support formula is applicable to men and women regardless of age. As you are aware, the best results come from regular use. The manufacturer recommends that you use the blood sugar mix for at least 3 to 6 months. Consult your doctor if you already have a medical condition. GlucoTru Reviews. Conclusion. GlucoTru, the only natural supplement to lower and control blood sugar naturally. It contains no harmful additives, chemicals,